Please. Right, yes. So the question is here, theta is in the first quadrant. 2 sin theta is root 3 cos 10 plus sin 10. And what is the value of theta? This is our question for us. How to handle this? For me, right, whenever I want to find out theta, right, please, if I have a something like sin theta is half, I will say that theta is 5 by 6. Do you all agree, yes?
Yes, sir.
So that means I must first write what is sin theta, yes. In the sin theta equal to 2 root 3 by 2 cos 10 degree plus 1 by 2 sin 10 degree. Do you all agree with this?
Yes, sir.
All of you, please. All of you, Preeti, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Paul. The by 2 I am splitting for each one, yes, that's it. See, for now, we know that this cos 10 is sin please. We know that sin alpha, right? Something like alpha is root 3 by 2. Okay? What is this alpha sin alpha root 3 by 2? The root 3 by 2 is nothing but what, dear? What angle might is?
Pi by 3.
Pi by 3. Brilliant. Sin pi by 3. Similarly, this is sin pi by 3 cos 10 plus cos pi by 3 sin 10. Please. Okay? Cos pi by 3 is nothing but what? 1 by 2 dear. See, 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2 modify into sin pi by 3 into cos 10 degree. Other than I thought I'll go for a degree because this is given in degree. So 60 degree porma, okay? Plus cos 60 degree into sin 10 okay? So what is this formula, Preeti? Tell me. Preeti, what is this formula, please? Arpit?
It will be sin A plus B, sir.
Wonderful, sir. Sin A plus B, sir. Excellent. Sin A plus B. A is B, dear. So plus sin A is cos. Okay, wonderful. That is called sin 70, right? So what is sin theta is sin 70. What is theta, dear?
70.
First option. How beautiful, Parna. How beautiful it is. Is it not belongs to the compound angle formula, sin A plus B formula? See this, how beautiful it is framed here. Okay, done. Just note it down, I think I already gave in the group. Okay, let us see how many of you remember this first exercise questions now. Okay. First exercise, some questions are there. Okay, how do you remember? But I am giving it in. Okay, let us see who will answer this. Take up. Question number 2 for the day. Sin 40 degree 35 minute. Yeah, 35 minute, absolutely right. 40 degree 35 minute into cos 19 degree 25 minute plus cos 40 degree is equal to what, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. I do not know whether the question is completed or not, but anyway, பார்க்கலாம், we'll see. ஏதோ கொஞ்சம் பிரிண்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு இதுல. Yes, pa, yes. Illama, it's not complete, ma. It's not complete. Question is not complete. I'll write it. Cos 40 degree. Yes, I know that it is a incomplete. Into sin 19 degree 25 minutes. Now, what is the answer for this? Anybody? What
Sir,
formula?
will be
you
that
use?
that sin A plus B formula again, sir.
Sin A plus B. A is B. So sin of A plus B, which implies that's nothing but sin of 40 degree 35 minutes plus 19 degree 25 minutes. Yes or no? That's called sin 60 degree mark. That is called root 3 by 2 years. Wow. What a question for you. Okay, you need to know this 40 degree and 35 minutes and 19 degree 25 minutes. 35, 25 becomes 60 minutes and 59 degree. 69 degree is nothing but 1 degree. So 59 plus 1 is nothing but 60 degree. Path பண்ணலாம், please. Yes or no, pa? இது 59 degree, இது 1 degree ma. So 59 plus 1 is 60 degree. Is it clear, pa?
Yes, sir.
Right. This is a simple question, okay? Yeah, okay. Right. Just I give one different model of the question, please. Assertion and reasoning. Okay. This model is famous in JEE, okay, and even KVPY, any competitive examination, this type of questions are common. And also, we may get in the CBSE also, because the new education policy is going to coming into force shortly. Assertion and reason. Assertion to short form is A, and reason to the short form is R. Okay. Reason or assertion A. What is assertion? In a rat means what? For right angle triangle. Sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C equal to 2 ma. That's what he has given. And reason is given like this. If alpha and beta are complementary angles, then sin square alpha, sin square beta is 1. Yes, given. So tell me now, these are the options given like this, ma. Whether 4 options are given, pa. A and R are true. Assertion, reason, both are true. R is the correct explanation of. R is correct explanation for A. Okay, number 1, A option. B option. A and R are true. A and R are true. R is not correct explanation. C. A is true. but R is false. A is true, but R is false. B, A is false, R is true. A is false and R is true. Which is the right answer? Which is the right answer? Yes. Think about it. Reason for alpha, beta are complementary angles, 30 and 60 degree are complementary angles. Sine square 30 is 1 by 4. Cos square 60 is 3 by 4. 1, that means reason is true. Reason is true, Anna, is it correct? Okay. Reason is correct. Only this is gone, correct? Now, assertion for the three are now possible. Reason A and R both true. R is true, R is true, R is true. But what do you say about the assertion? Come on, anybody. In a right angle triangle, for you take one angle as 90 degree, please. Other two angles in the this is become one, correct? Right? But the
Yes,
other
sir.
two angles are four. Yes, ma?
No, sir, I was agreeing with you, sir.
Yes, Arpit?
No, I was just saying yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, reason, the reason is correct, Maiki. He is talking about A, B, C. In a triangle rat, sin square A, sin square B, sin square C is 2, correct. Okay, that's a given statement. Here, alpha, beta are complementary angles. Is there any relation here? So, first of all, is the assertion is true or not? Okay. If one angle is 90 degree, other two angles, no doubt they are complementary angles, right?
Yes, sir.
And these two, right? If this is one, in the rendu, will it be one or not, ma?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? Is it correct? If
Yes.
anyway, if one angle is 90 degree, other two angles must be complementary. Complementary, is it always? Even you take 45, 45, 30, 60, any angle, any two angles you take, they have to become one only, correct? Yes or no, please? So 1 plus 1 is 2. So your assertion is true. Your reason is also true. Both are true. And the reasoning is it correct explanation? Whenever alpha, beta are complementary angle, this reasoning is reasoning is true, no doubt. But is it the correct reasoning for this one? We check this. Alpha, beta are complementary angles. So sin square alpha, sin square beta is 1. I think it's correct reasoning only, correct? Yeah, because in a rectangle triangle, there are two complementary angles, are there or not?
Yes, sir.
So, but my answer is first option. He is telling that this is not true, ma. I don't know whether I have taken it correctly or not. Question. Yeah, I have taken it correctly. Sin square by sin square A, sin square B, sin square C is 2 is not equal to 2 and so on. But we are very confident that in a right angle triangle, one angle is 90, other two angles are complementary, then it is equal to x. Excellent, ma. No doubt in that, ma. No doubt in that. So now out of the three, Out of the three, I think this will be the proper answer, because assertion is true, right? You can accept it, correct? Yes or no, please tell me. If one of them is 1, other two together is 1, yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
A and R are definitely true. R is correct explanation of A. Yes, alpha, beta are complement triangles, sin square alpha, sin square beta is 1 under the. It is a, no doubt, instead of using A and B or something else, he is using alpha, beta. Whenever two complement triangles are there are two complement triangles here, whoever it is, correct? There are two complement triangles, one of them is 90, others are complementary. So he is supplementing it, right? That's the correct explanation for, yes. So my answer is this one, ma. Not this is absolutely gone. This is also gone. A is not false. But the book is giving that A is false, ma. Assertion is false. Can be supported. It should be something else, ma. Other than 2 and 9, it's correct. Yes. One of them you take as 90, ma. Sin square 90. This is sin square B. Nam theriyada angles enamo theriyada. Okay, other two angles we don't know. Sin square B. Sin square C is nothing but what, ma? Cos square C, right? Cos square B, right? Because B and C are complementary, right? So sin C equal to cos B. So cos square B, what is sin square B plus cos square B, ma? 1. And this is 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Absolutely right, ma. Such is wonderfully right. And this is the beautiful explanation for when the two angles are complementary, sin square alpha, sin square beta is 1 under this one. One of them is 90 and 1. This is 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? This is the correct explanation for this. I hope, see, this is another model, a beautiful model. Let us see. Now let us start going for our 3.4. Jeevit has joined. Yeah. Jeevit has joined. Yeah. Right, ma. Yes. Now, what is the next exercise is that so far now we have done 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. This is about the angles. We converted degrees to radians, radians to degrees. We defined what the radian, and then we transformed all the degrees into radians. Then 3.2, of course, we did arc length, the area of a sector, etc. Then clock, we have done it. Clock also, we have done it. One more formula I give, ma. Theta is between the angle between the two hands of a clock. Angle between the two hands of a clock. Two hands, which are the two hands, ma? Minute hand and hours hand. Rendu naduvula enna angle irukku or formula kudukren neenga just 30h minus 11 by 2 m. This is the formula for h stands for hours and m stands for minutes, my dears. Now suppose at 7:30, whether it is AM or PM doesn't matter. Suppose when we are ending the session, okay. So what will be the angle between the two hands, ma? This one the hours, ma. This one the minutes, ma. So 30 into 7 minus 11 by 2 into 30. 210 minus 165, ma. Theta is 45 degree, Papa. How beautiful it is, Papa. This is the formula, yes. Why is it 11 by 2? M under that is a beautiful explanation, okay. We will see that, okay. If you want, I will explain it. Why it's why 30h under that, I will explain it, please. Friends, here the hour hand mattum, please. Hour hand mattum in 1 hour it makes, in 12 hours it complete 1 round, yes. 12 hours la vandu 360 degree, ma. 1 hour la vandu 30 degree, ma. That's all. That's why 30h, ma. Whereas our hand வந்து 1 hour ல 30 degree அண்ணா 1 minute ல வந்து it will make half a degree மா 30 by 60 மா 60 minutes ல வந்து 30 degree அண்ணா 1 minute ல வந்து half a degree. This is about the hours hand. Whereas the minute hand பார்த்தா 60 minutes ல வந்து 1 round மா minute hand பாருங்க நீங்க அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுங்க 1 minute ல வந்து 6 degree மா. The relative speed between the two hands is nothing but 6 minus 1 by 2 is 5.5 years. 6 minus 1 by 2 is 5 1 by 2, that is called 11 by 2 years. That's why 11 by 2 m. Note பண்ணிக்கோங்க, please take it, ma. Take it. Your new concept பாருங்க. Why 11 by 2 னு சொல்ல பாருங்க. 6 minus half is 11 by 2. Are you finding interesting it is, this formula? For any time you can find out, any time. ஒருவேளை suppose if theta is theta should be always less than or equal to 180. இது ஒரு caution நான் நோட் பண்ணுங்க. Theta should be always less than or equal to 180. ஒருவேளை நீங்க if theta comes more than 180 னா remove 180 from that. If the answer you get that. If theta is more than 181 னா subtract 180 from the answer, you get the correct angle. That's it. Theta is always less than or equal to 180. Suppose theta got 210. Hello. Hello. నా క్లాస్ లో నన్ను మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను. Right. Right, yes, can you please take it, ma? Suppose theta is actual angle is 210 minus 180, ma. So theta is always less than or equal. Can anybody explain, ma, why theta is always less than 180? Why it should be?
Sir,
less
because
than?
the clock only goes for 12 hours, so it'll be half 24. So it'll be half, right? Half 360.
Can you explain once again? Wait.
The whole clock would go for. Oh no, I don't know, sir. I'm wrong.
No, make an attempt at what's wrong. Come on, do it. Say again.
No, sir. I thought that the whole clock goes to 24 hours. So you take 24 by 12. I mean, sorry, 12 by 24, which is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 360. But that doesn't make sense.
Okay. If you take the two hands, what are the different angles you could see, mind that? I can see that both of them at 12 o'clock beautifully they coincide here, theta equal to 0. This is the one possibility, correct? Another possibility is like this, please. You can have this is 6 o'clock, 6. This is a minute hand and hour hand. Do you agree with me? Then what is the angle here?
180.
180. Now, you can have any possibility between 0 and 180. You can have like this. This is the 3 and this is 90 degree, you can have it. You can have any angle between 0 to 180. You can never have more than 180. எதுக்குன்னா நீங்க ஏதாவது ஒரு ரெண்டு ஹேண்ட்ஸ் நீங்க பாத்துக்கோங்க. ஓகே, ஏதோ ரேண்டமா கொடுங்க நீங்க ரெண்டு ஹேண்ட்ஸ் இப்படி போட. This is acute angle, right? You don't take this angle, that's all. That's what I mean here, dears. Okay, இந்த angle எடுக்க முடியாதுமா. Which is the angle னா இதான் சொல்ல போறோம். இது you can't say this one. So angle is always less than or equal to 180. ஒருவேளை நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி பெருசா 180க்கு மேல வந்ததுன்னா you should subtract it from 360 degree subtract பண்ணுங்க. If you get more than 180, sorry, if theta is more than 180, if you get it, subtract from 360 degree. That's the answer now. If the theta is 210, okay, subtract from if the angle is 210, you got it. The actual angle is 360 minus 210. Okay. இந்த மாதிரி you got 210 and வச்சுக்கோங்க. What is this angle? You find out. So that's the actual story. Yes. I hope you got it right.
Yes, sir.
You all understand now, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the one beautiful story, ma. You don't know actually clocks, patana. I can take one complete class for clocks. 45-minute session is required for clocks. இன்னும் நிறைய இருக்குமா. இந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷன் எத்தனை வாட்டி வருமா ஒரு நாளைக்குன்னா ஒரு டேக்கு 24 ஹவர்ஸ்ல வந்து இந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷன் எவ்வளவு வாட்டி வரும்? How many times you get? இந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷன் how many times you get? 24 hours குள்ள. இந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷன் between 0 and 180 in the situation how many times you get ma? This is the beautiful question. Just do the research, okay? Please find out. Okay, in 24 hours, theta equal to 0. In the mind, both the hands coincide. Here, theta is 0. Theta is 180. Happens how many times in 24 hours? That's all. 22 times. 22 times. Double. 44 times. This you analyze panni paarenga. Lot of mathematics is involved. Beautiful, simple mathematics is involved. If you can do that, I think it is a fabulous. If you can get the derivation by yourself, it is a fabulous. Why it is 22 times? In the formula useful. This formula is very, very useful to get these things. 12 hours pona, okay. 12 hours anna ninga 12 hours the correct thing. This is doubling, okay, doubling. And this is 11 times ma. 12 hours 11 times. One is missing ma. Because this is a 12 o'clock ma. Na solra or explanation kodukra, okay. 11 o'clock. Between 11 to 12 they don't coincide like this ma. Inga nadakadu but ana 12 exactly will happen. Anna rendu minus or plus ma. Okay. So minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1 ma. 12 minus 1 is 11 ma. Enona அப்படி திங்க் பண்ணுங்க. You can get it. That's it. Okay, yes, right. Okay, but next is, I think we'll go for 3.4 ma, okay? 3.4, போகலாமா 3.4 today? Shall I start 3.4? தேவையான introduction கொடுக்கலாமா?
Yes, sir.
So, what is 3.4, Anna, please? 3.4 is trigonometric equations, ma. 3.4 is trigonometric equations, my dears. Wonderful, ma. Trigonometric equations. Very, very interesting topic. Just like, my dears, you have x plus 1 equal to 0. You say x equal to minus 1. This is called linear equation, dears. Correct? Linear algebraic equation. Linear algebraic equation. So linear algebraic equation. Why? Because x is an algebraic term, right? Right. Again, log x equals to log x plus log x minus 1 equal to 0. Now log x equal to 1 and x equal to 0. What is that called? Log x to the base 10. So x equal to 10. Okay. So this is called logarithmic equation. Okay, logarithmic algebraic equation, something like that. But we have another equation called trigonometric equation, and tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. This is my simple trigonometric equation. Yes. One equation purpose and to find out the unknown. Yes, that's the equation purpose. Correct. So the trigonometric equation is trigonometry and trigonometric ratios, angle relation between the angle and sides. This is what we discussed about the trigonometric ratio, tan theta, right? So tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. Now theta is our variable. Yes, finding the theta is the purpose of the equation. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, please? All of you tell me yes. Fine.
Yes.
Tan theta minus 0 is called trigonometric equation, no doubt. And finding the unknown is what? Unknown. Who is unknown here? Who is the variable here? Theta is the variable. So finding the theta is the purpose of this equation, my dear. So just like in algebra, what you do? You find unknown. Here also you find an unknown. That's all. That's the purpose of trigonometric. Solving trigonometric equations is the purpose of this exercise. Is it such a simple x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1? Tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. Is it tan theta equal to 1? Can I say simply theta is 45 degree? Is it over? Parma, please just listen. Tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. Tan theta equal to 1. Can I conclude that just theta is 45, or you want to say few more solutions for it? Anybody? Or you can say pi by 4, okay? Pi by 4. Tan theta is positive, yes. Tan theta is positive. 1. 1 is positive, ma. One possibility is first quadrant. Yes or no? Tan is positive in. Yes, ma. Tan is positive in.
Third quadrant.
First and third quadrants. Yes. First and third quadrant. This pi by 4 belongs to which quadrant? Yes.
First quadrant.
So now what is the second possibility? Yes. Come on. Come on. Pi plus pi by 4. That is the third quadrant. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, pa? Please, ma. Please, all of you say it, ma. Yes or no? Pi
Yes, sir.
plus third quadrant. Pi plus pi by 4. This belongs to third quadrant. Now, can I complete one round and enter into first quadrant again? So what do you say now? 2 pi plus
2
pi
pi
by 4
plus pi.
again. Again, first quadrant. Paranga, please. Parama. Next, again you come to third quadrant. That is called 3 pi plus pi by 4. Now you have to generalize the solution. Yes, you have to generalize the solution. For Parma, pleasing finding that tan theta is 1, theta equal to pi by 4. This angle is called principal angle. Yes, principal angle. First angle, the least angle which satisfies the equation is called the principal angle. Yes, or not please. Not these angles, not these angles. First angle, the least angle which satisfies the equation is called principal angle. Yes. Friends, you can't write there are infinite number of solutions, infinite number of solutions are there. So you can't list out all. Therefore, you need to write generalized statement. You have to give it yes. What is that generalized statement, Parma? Pi by 4 is there everywhere, right? Can I write theta equal to 0 plus pi by 4 here for the first one? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pi plus pi by 4, 2 pi plus pi by 4, like this 3 pi plus pi by 4, etc., etc. We are going right? Come on. Sorry. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Friends, is it not? I can write now generalized formula as plus pi by 4. This is varying formula 0 pi, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, n pi. N pi formula. That's all, yes. That's all, dear. This is how n belongs to. You could say integer also, no harm. If you do the reverse direction also, it will work. Therefore, n belongs to integers. Z okay. I am an integer. Book only uses Z. Okay, so n belongs to integers. Okay, clear? Is it right? Yes, you are able to frame the formula. General, this is called what? Yes, this is called general solution. This is called general solution. General solution is solutions we are crystallizing into a formula that is called general solution. Is it clear, ma? Principal angle, general solution.
Sir.
What is the principal angle, ma? Least angle which satisfies the equation. Principal angle means what, dear? Least angle which satisfies the equation. Are you getting the sense of this, ma, please?
Yes, sir.
1, 0 pi, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, put n equal to 0, put n equal to 1, put n equal to 2, n equal to 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Note down this, man. Note down this. Small introduction we have given. Then we have given some other logarithm then tan theta equal to tan theta minus. This is called trigonometric equation. Tan theta equal to 1. Tan theta is positive, right? Tan theta is 1 means what? 1 is greater than 0. That means tan theta, write down. Tan theta is positive. Tan theta is positive in which quadrants? Which quadrants, ma? Please, that's very, very important, ma. First and third, ma. First law is the principal angle, yes. Pi by 4. Tan theta is 1. So theta must be 45 degree pi by 4. That is your principal angle, yes. Right. Okay. Sir, this is positive, so life has become very, very simple. If it is a negative, what are we going to do? Right? Let us see. Okay. Okay. This is called general solution. This is called the principal angle. Next one, the pi by 4 plus pi by 4 okay? Negative. Let us say now tan theta plus 1 equal to 0. Okay? Are you able to copy what I am saying, ma, please?
Yes, sir.
Right. For next, let us take tan theta plus 1 equal to 0. If I give you this equation, first statement, Anna Sola Poringa Preeti, tell me. Tan theta is minus 1. All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
Friends, here tan theta is minus 1 na for sin theta ku domain solunga, cos theta ku domain solunga, tan theta ku domain solunga. Okay. Crispana domain solunga. This is called minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Sin follow, tan follows sin. This one. This follows correct, but tan pi by 2 is what? Infinite. Infinite under the, it's not a number. Therefore, we won't close it. We won't include it. Cos theta 0 to pi. This is right. Okay. Very simple reason, ma. What is the range of sin theta na? Minus 1 to plus 1, ma, please. Yes or no? Cos theta range na, minus 1 to plus 1. tan theta oda range enna minus infinity to plus infinity. Is it right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. இப்போ நீங்க இந்த extremes பார்க்கமா 1 போட்டா what is sin pi by 2 ma? What is sin pi by 2? 1. What is sin minus pi by 2? Minus 1 over. What is cos 0 ma? Cos 0 is what? Plus 1. What is cos pi? Minus 1. That's all. Tan pi by 2 is infinity and tan minus pi by 2 is minus infinity. That's all now. Please, keeping this in mind, dears, hold on to this one. Take this one. And while telling whenever tan theta is minus 1, you have to get the negative angles also, my dear. If tan theta is 1, you said what? Theta is pi by 4, the principal angle ma. When tan theta is minus 1, theta is minus pi by 4. Please, tan theta is minus 1, theta is minus pi by 4. Now, entire thing is so, because you know that this is a principal angle, general solution is what? Just now we concluded theta equal to n pi plus alpha. The alpha is known as the principal angle. Theta, that's alpha, because the first angle, least angle, we are calling it as principal angle or alpha. General formula இப்படி இருக்க மாட்டேங்குது. இது general formula. In particular case pi by 4 last sum. Okay. நீங்க சொல்லுங்க theta equal to n pi plus what is this alpha, dears? Minus pi by 4. That's
Minus
all.
pi
Dears.
by 4.
That's all. This is your GS, dears. Clear ma? Plus minus எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்றதுன்றதுக்கு நான் சொன்ன பாருங்க. இங்கே இருக்கு dears. Sin tan வந்து மைனஸ் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Cos the difference ma, please. Come on. Let me give you now. You take this dears and I will come to cos. I hope you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Please note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இது just don't what's a video is there and don't trust it. Okay, number first நீங்க you need to write it once so that you just get used to that. நான் எல்லாத்துக்குமே பிளஸ் மைனஸ் ரெண்டு சொல்ல போறேன், நீங்க ஜஸ்ட் பாருங்க. ஓகே, இது மட்டும் மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க போதும். ஓகே, சோ இப்போ நான் ரெண்டு சொல்ல போறேன் பாருங்க. tan theta sin theta ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி சொல்ல போறேன். sin theta is 1/2 and sin theta is -1/2. What is alpha ma? Alpha na least angle, principal angle. Can you please anybody say this? What is the principal angle, dears?
Sir, minus 1/2.
Inga பாருங்க inga.
Sir, with 30, sir.
What is alpha?
30, sir.
30. 30 billion answer or 5/6. Okay. Brilliant. What about here alpha, please? Anybody?
Minus pi/6.
Good answer. Good answer. Over. Nothing else. That's all. This is the principal angle here. Next one. Cos theta is 1/2 and cos theta is -1/2. Come on. Niti, what is alpha ma? This principal angle is what ma? David, what is alpha here? Rather, what satisfies theta here? My least angle satisfies theta. Preeti, what should be theta here, ma? What cos of what angle will give you half? Perfect.
60, sir. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, 60. Yeah.
Brilliant. What about here, ma? Anybody, please? Kavi.
Minus pi/2.
Yeah.
minus pi by 3.
No, sir. No, sir. 0 to pi. Paranga. What does it mean? This is called minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now, first quadrant and fourth quadrant in the summer. This is the first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Tan follows sine. Cos theta 0 to pi first and second quadrant, my dears. நீங்க என்ன சொல்ல போறீங்கன்னா half வந்து pi by 3 மாதிரி. Second quadrant pi minus pi by 3 dear. Over dears. Over. Pi 0 to pi 0 to pi less than pi is possibility. Not more than pi is a possibility dears. Please understand this dears. Clear or not? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Wonderful. Very good. I will
Sir,
explain.
why is more than pi not possible?
See, ma, one thing I tell you here, this you please make a note of it. First and fourth quadrant, first and second quadrant because 0 to pi. This also first and fourth quadrant because negative angle is in fourth quadrant, positive angle is in the first quadrant. So it's the first and the fourth sine and tan, yes. Okay. Whereas cos it comes 0 to pi 0 to pi is the first and second pi by 3 under the first quadrant second quadrant pi minus pi by 6 lower pi by 3. Sorry. By play, you forgot everything. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? Once again, one more thing I'll explain. Okay, one more thing I'll tell you. Cos theta is root 3 by 2. Cos theta is minus root 3 by 2. 1 by 1. Yes, what is alpha here?
Pi by 6.
Pi by 6. What about alpha here?
Pi minus pi by 6.
That's a. You write it, okay? Write it in a proper way. Pi minus pi by 6 is what? Pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, right? LCM multiple. 1 by 3, 1 and 3 difference is 2, 2 pi by 3. Now 1 and 6 difference is 5, 5 pi by 6. Clear? So we are talking about the principal angle now. Next one, tan also I already told you tan. Tan theta is root 3 and tan theta is minus root 3. Kriti, what is alpha here? Kriti, what is alpha? Normally, எந்த angle போட்டா இந்த root 3 வருமா அது சொல்லுங்க போதும். Jivit, are you all able to listen? Yeah, Jivit is able to listen. Come on, Jivit. Hey, Jivit, what is this? Why are you hiding like this? What is alpha? Arpit.
Sir, we pi by 3, sir.
Pi by 3. Excellent, sir. What about here? Here alpha is?
Minus pi by 3, sir.
That's also wonderful, sir. Minus pi by 3. And then only cos fellow will get trouble you, dears. Cos fellow will trouble you. The trouble is also gone, I think now. Is it clear?
Sir, I have a small question, sir. Sir, so over here we're just trying to find the principal angle. That's all, right, sir?
Right now, yes. Right now I'm doing principal angle. I have told general solution for tan. I didn't talk about general solution for sine and cos. I'm going to do it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, so principal angle பத்தி clear ஆயிடுச்சமா இது பாருங்க. This you please remember, take it in mind. Keep it always in mind with respect to these values. Sin pi by 2 is 1, sin minus pi by 2 is minus 1. Yes. Same tan also. Tan pi by 2 is infinity, tan. Oh, wow. What about cos? Cos 0 is 1 and cos pi is minus 1. That's how it works, my place. So you need to relate them. You cannot physically remember and program it. It's impossible here. Logically, you should remember them. So cos sin theta or range is minus 1 to 1. The domain, this is called domain. This is called range. What is domain and range? Useless things, okay? Theta is the domain. Theta values are called domain, and the sin theta values are called range. Sin theta varies from minus 1 to 1. Yes, okay? So, இப்படி நீங்க இது D stands for domain, R stands for range. Domain means values of theta. Whatever sin theta and theta values, sin x and x values. Okay, that's all. Yes, is it okay, ma? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Next is, I will try to give you, I will try to give you the general solution for sin and cos also. Only formulas I give it. You please go through the textbook and derive it and come tomorrow. I will give you two types of derivations. Now, one is what I did for tan today, just by taking examples, and you will get it general solution. That's the one story. But textbook has done brilliantly. Okay, another method it has done it. Okay, something like this he has done it, ma. எப்படி பண்ணிருக்காங்க textbook நான் சொல்லிட்டு நான் நீங்களே general solution for sin theta and cos theta develop it. Okay, நான் திருப்பி tanக்கு வந்து எப்படி textbook பண்றாங்கன்னா tan theta equal to tan alpha na what is the principal angle alpha, and then general solution for theta. Okay, general solution, this is general solution for theta now, and alpha is the principal angle. Okay, plus alpha அது ஏதோ வரும் tan, right? இது எப்படி ரெடி பண்றதுன்னா he is doing like this, ma. Tan theta minus tan alpha is, then we know what is tan theta minus tan alpha na sin theta by sin cos theta. If we பண்ணிட்டு we will get that formula, what's theta equal to n phi plus alpha. He will be doing like this. Same way you take sin theta, this is for tan, ma. If tan theta equal to tan alpha, and the tan alpha nanu root 3 எழுதா. Okay, friends, அதே மாதிரி sin theta equal to sin alpha, sin theta minus sin alpha equal to 0, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, and sin c minus d by 2. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Each one is 0, ma. இந்த மாதிரி cos of theta plus alpha by 2 is 0, and sin of theta minus alpha by 2 is 0, ma. Theta plus alpha by 2 must be what, ma? Here pi by 2, right? Sin cos 90 is 0. Theta minus alpha by 2 equal to what, ma? Here 0. Theta minus alpha equal to 0. Here theta equal to alpha. Okay, you want theta plus pi equal to theta plus alpha is what? இப்படி பண்ணிட்டு he will arrive at sin theta ஓட ஃபார்முலா கொண்டு வரும். என்ன ஃபார்முலானா நீங்களே ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. I will give a beautiful explanation. This is the most useless explanation. Cos theta equal to cos alpha, இது textbook பண்ற மெத்தட். Tan theta equal to tan alpha, இது textbook பண்றாங்க. நான் ஆல்ரெடி tan theta equal to tan alpha பண்ணிட்டேன். Beautifully I brought it down the general solution. Similarly, I will do it for sin theta and cos theta. Meanwhile, you go through the textbook and arrive at general solutions for all the three. Okay, and then do some exercise or worked example questions, and meanwhile just have a drill on that. Tomorrow I will once again do the general solutions for all the three in my own style, not the textbook style. Textbook style நீங்க பார்க்கணும். Okay, நீங்க ஒருவேளை சார் textbook style also you tell and கேட்டா I will tell you that also. Okay, right? Okay, dears, all the best, ma. Thank you very much. You're all listening well. and very eager to the class. Okay, 6:30 Anna on the dot. Jeevit Anna, there are some problems for Jeevit, so he is unable to come in time. He has got classes, I think, till 6:30, 6:45, maybe. But I like this, that eagerness. Okay, 6:30 Anna class ready. I am really happy. All the best. Yes, thank you very much. Please read the textbook. Go through the textbook. Textbook is the source of, what to say, knowledge, source of inspiration. You will find so many things if you go through the textbook and underline them. Write down in the notebook, please. Okay. I hope you listen to me, you follow me, and also do the homework, ma. 3.3, Preeti. Try to do it, ma. Few questions, Preeti, please. Segment பண்ணுங்க 1 to 10, 10 to 15 இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நாளைக்கு ஒரு 5-6 क्वेश्चन 10 क्वेश्चन பண்ணுமா ஓகேவா ரைட் பிரீத்தி ஓகேப்பா we'll exit now. Thank you very much. Arpit, Kavi,
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
thank you very much. Thank you.